Okay, we just arrived at the Campiglia Marittima station or something like that. We don't know how to pronounce anything here. This is all our stuff, you guys, and we have already sent back 3 large suitcases back home, and we're still traveling with all this stuff. Too much. Doing good, Marley? She's a little dopey. We gave her a little bit of a sedative just to help her with the trip. Jeff just called a taxi. So they say it's a 10-minute wait, but we'll see. Bella's doing tap dancing.
Oh, hi.
We have just pulled up to the walled city. We are like near the top of the walled city here. I'm already out of breath. We have to transport all of our luggage on these cobblestone streets to try to get it close to where we think our Airbnb is. The taxi driver that dropped me and Bella and all of our luggage off took Jeff. And Jeff is getting driven to the center of town where he's going to meet the real estate agent that helps check in guests to this specific Airbnb. So I'm out of breath. Here we go. If not now, then when? Here we go. Bella's got a landscape assignment.
Oh my.
Let me see. Wow.
Girl.
She's got a landscape photography assignment due, and she was waiting until we came to Tuscany. I think that was a good call. The sun coming through the clouds is gorgeous this morning. That's the sea over there. That's the...
Girl, look at, I got this bird.
Let me see.
Is it good?
Bella, that's beautiful.
Yeah?
Yeah, beautiful. That is the Mediterranean Sea over there, I believe.
No.
You want to try to look out the window? You can't. You're too little.